Hello everyone, welcome to Shada Cook. Today we are going to make Moong Daal Pakoda. It's very popular in India and mainly enjoyed during rainy season. Very easy to make, so let's go through the ingredients. Firstly, we require about 1 cup of moong dal, split moong dal. You can see. And all you need to do is soak these moong dal about 2 hours in water. And then you need to ground it coarsely. You can see the texture. Not too thin, not too thick, like grainy texture. Next you need 1 green chili finely chopped, half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds, half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, and pinch of hing. So let's start with the batter. You're going to take the moong dal batter. Next we're going to just add in all the ingredients, that is green chili, ginger paste, red chili powder according to your taste, salt, fennel seeds or sauf, crushed coriander seeds, nice flavor it gives, and hing. And next we're going to just mix it well for like about 5 minutes. What will happen is that air will go inside and at the end you will get nice and fluffy pakoras. Okay, so next we're going to heat the oil. Now we're going to just drop in a little bit of the batter just to see if the oil is properly hot. And if it comes up like this, that means it's nice and hot. Now slowly drop in all the batter like that, coin size batter, and keep it on medium flame. If you find a difficulty with the hands, you can even use a spoon. And now we are going to keep it on high flame and stir it occasionally so that it doesn't get brown. And you can see all have come up. So now you can see it has got a nice golden color. So we're going to just remove it. Remove it on a paper towel. So moong dal pakoras are ready, as you can see. I'm going to make Potli Samosa, and this is a different version of these samosas, and these are great party snacks. So let's learn how to make it. For this we will need, alright, so for the dough we are going to need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, some ajwain, salt to taste, and water. Okay, so for the filling we will need 3 medium sizes of boiled mashed potatoes, half cup of boiled peas, 1 teaspoon of ginger chili paste, some cashews chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you want less spicy, you can take it more or less according to your requirement. Half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of amchur powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of chaat masala, salt to taste, and some oil. So we'll start with the preparation of the dough. For that we are going to take salt, ajwain, and then we are going to mix all the ingredients. Now we are going to add oil and then mix the ingredients. Make sure to mix the oil properly to the dough. Okay, so now we are going to add water in parts until you get a nice dough consistency. So keep on adding until you get a dough consistency. Okay, so the dough is ready and it should not be too soft or too hard. Now we are going to keep it for about 20 minutes. So cover it and let it sit for 20 minutes. Okay, so now we'll start with the filling. For that we are going to take some oil and we are going to fry our cashews in the oil. Okay, so now add cashews. As it gets slightly brown, remove them. Okay, so now to the oil we are going to add ginger chili paste. Then we will add mashed potatoes. Okay, so now we will add a boiled green peas. Okay, so now we will start adding all these spices. Salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, amchur powder, garam masala, and finally chaat masala. And now mix all the ingredients well. Okay, so make sure that you cook it properly. All these spices should be cooked properly. Okay, so now we are going to add our cashews and then combine everything well. Okay, so our filling is ready. Okay, so now we are going to let our filling cool down for some time, and make sure that you cool it down, because if you use the hot filling, it will be not made properly. So make sure that you cool it down and then you use it for filling. Okay, so until our filling is getting cool, we are going to make the rolls. For that, we are going to take the dough. Okay, so now we are going to divide it into small balls like this. So divide the dough into small balls. Okay, so now take the ball, roll it, and then press it. Okay, so now we are going to roll it into small circles, just like we roll the rotis, but we are going to roll it into small circles. So that much, that would be the size. Okay, so make such rounds, and now we are going to start filling it. Okay, so now we are going to take a spoon size filling. Okay, so now we are going to take some water and then just apply it on the sides like that, and then take the dough and make into a potli like this. Like a Chinese money bag. Give it a shape. And there you go, your cute tiny potli is ready. So make all the potlis just like this. So once again doing the same thing. Take some filling, apply some water on the sides, and then just take the corners and gather them like this, like a potli. And then make sure to press from this between in the middle, so that the filling doesn't come out while frying. Look, it's so easy. Okay, so our tiny potlis are ready. Now we are going to fry them. Okay, so now we are going to heat the oil. Keep it on a medium flame, and the oil should not be too hot or too cold. It should be medium. Okay, to check the oil, we are going to put a little bit of dough, and we are going to see that the dough should not come very fast on the top. It should slowly come up, and you can see it is coming slowly up. Okay, so now we are going to drop in the potlis, and you can see they will come up very slowly. And if your oil is too hot, what will happen is your potlis will be brown from the top, but from the inside it will not be cooked properly. So make sure the oil is not too hot, and then they will come very slowly on the top. Okay, so your potlis are gonna get cooked very slowly, so it is gonna take some time. Keep on stirring it in between and flipping it so that it doesn't get burned. So it's been about 5 to 7 minutes and it looks something like this. So it is going to take more of 2 to 5 minutes to get completely fried and cooked. Okay, so they are ready. So remove it on a paper towel. Okay, so the frying process took in all 10 to 15 minutes. So remove it on the paper towel so that excess oil is removed. Okay, so there you go, your potli samosas are finally ready. Hey guys, welcome to Shada Cook. Our today's recipe is Sev Puri sandwich. It's a very interesting twist to the normal sandwich and it's kind of popular in Mumbai right now as a street food. So let's see how to make it. So we're going to start by taking 2 slices of bread. We're going to spread a good amount of butter on both the slices. Next we're going to place Sev Puri's puri. This is very easily available in the market. Now we're going to place some finely chopped boiled potatoes. We're going to make it just like how we make the Sev Puri. Then we're going to add finely chopped tomatoes, onions. Now we're going to sprinkle some salt. Next we are adding some tamarind chutney. That nice taste. Then coriander chutney. Then we are sprinkling some chaat masala. Lastly, sev. And now we're going to place the other slice of bread on the top. Now we're going to place it on a sandwich toaster. And we're going to just butter on the top. And now we are just going to grill it. So a sandwich is done. So you can see it looks really tasty and looks really delicious. So we have served it with some finely chopped tomatoes, onions and sev on the top. So do try it. It's pretty simple and it's really interesting and very tasty. If you like